In this video, we are going to analyze Party City, ticker PRTY. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we start pushing back to the upside? And we would be looking at $2.10 as our closest level, with our level right below that, past that, being $2.50. Now we can see this was the key one in the past. We came into this level and we just, especially the 250, we tested it again, tested it for a third time and just kept failing. So really this will be a key level, and if we can break it, really we could see some sort of a breakout. And what would we need to see to confirm this breakout? Because this would be key if you're paying attention to the upside. We'd want to see a break above this 210. You would probably want to see a pullback to this level to confirm it and then push upwards. But really the key one will be this 250. Can we break above it, come back to retest it as a support? And if this level holds and buying pressure comes in, more than likely you'll push to that next statistical level, which in this case would be $3.50. Now if we break that and continue higher, we're looking at $4.70, and right after that $4.95. And again, at final levels, if we can break that, we're looking at $6.30, $7, and a final level at $9. So again, how do you use these levels? It's not, okay, no matter what, we're going to $9. No. The way you use them is you look at these levels as a resistance and then a confirmation. For example, we're looking for a break to, say, $3.50. How are you going to achieve this level? So we need to see a break above this 210 and obviously the 250. But the key thing is you don't just buy it once we come to 250 or you break through. What we want to see is a break above this level. We come up to maybe $2.75, $3 or whatever that level is, and you come back to retest this 250 as a support. Then if buying pressure kicks in, what this does is it tells us investors, traders have had time to look at this level. They are still happy to hold their position, and so really it will increase the confidence in the trade, and just more likely that we'll push to then that next statistical level, which in this case would be 350. Now on the other hand, if you're more bearish on the stock, or we just want to see a move to the downside, what would we be paying attention to? And really the only two levels we have is at 72 cents and 30 cents, which would be our two statistical means, one on the 6 month, one on the 1 year. Obviously very far from where we are now. So what the key focus would be as well is that 52-week low at around $1, because really buying pressure will keep coming in as we come in at $1, because it's usually hard for stocks to break below that $1 for the first time. So we could definitely see buying pressure come into that level. However, if we do break that $1, again we'll be looking for that same pattern, a break below, come back to retest, and if selling pressure kicks in, more than likely you're making it to 70 cents. And again the same thing, if we break 70 cents, you come back for that retest, then more than likely you're making it to that 30 cents. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these analysis videos.